Hello students and welcome back to our software engineering with UML lecture series. We are discussing system development life cycle. We have already gone through the phase of planning and requirement analysis, system analysis, design and develop, and we are going to go through the phase of testing and integration in today's lecture. A separate dedicated phase for designing and development is, you can say, kept under SDLC. So it is conceptually assumed that the design and development is going to get completed in this phase itself. Now let us go through what exactly the phase of testing and integration will do. In this phase, we are going to test or check the system. We are going to check the product or system's quality with respect to user's requirement. Now, make sure that we have developed a system for somebody else. Somebody else is going to be using, or somebody else has get it done by us. We have developed a system on his requirements. Whatever requirements he gave, whatever suggestions were given by the customer or the user, we have built a system accordingly. So it is very much, you can say, expected that we perform the phase of testing and integration with the help of user's requirement. This phase is a major quality control measure. So we are going to test the system against its quality. So if you are claiming, or you can say asking or saying it to your customer that we do provide quality products, you should prove it through your work. So the phase of testing is for proving that whatever things you have accepted in the SRS, in the BRDs, in the FRDs, you are going to prove them that yes, we have achieved all the quality controls. It is performed by a separate dedicated team of people. Now make sure or check that the developer or the one who has constructed is not going to perform the phase of testing. A separate dedicated team will be doing this task of checking or testing, because we ourselves can't find anomalies or improvements or some imperfections in our work. We do need somebody else to get it done for us. Somebody else can point out things with the help of user's requirement. So a separate dedicated team of people is used. Sometimes it can be real users too. Now in the case of software, where software testing is performed, we have a type of testing which is acceptance testing, where user is asked, or you can say allowed, in your premises. He makes sure that along with the team of developers uses the system. The team observes the way customer uses the system, and they, you can say, give him certain suggestions. The customer can provide a feedback that the system maybe is a little complicated to work on. So there is still some scope of improvement. Testing and integration can give us that little scope of improvement, even if the customer is not satisfied. That if he wants even some smaller changes or even bigger changes, we should embrace that change. So it is majorly done for customer satisfaction. Some activities performed in this phase are that we are going to give input and check the desired output. In the case of software, we can definitely do this, but in our case study of constructing the house, what we have to do is we have to just, you can say that, ask the customer satisfaction regarding the construction or plumbing or the light fittings done, whatever it is. We are going to integrate all the subsystems together, but before integrating the subsystems, we are going to check every smaller subsystem individually. Make sure that it is according to our and customers' expectation. Then integrate or collect them and check them togetherly as a whole. Finally, we are going to check systems behavior for each input and analyze it. So that's it. This is all about the phase of testing and integration. Thank you.